Ain't done anything creative for a while. So grab yourself a book and a coin. Oh yeah. Greetings all. Um, yeah, the weather is rather pants outside at the moment, so I thought, I ain't anything creative for a bit, and it is only one quick, simple video. This one is but it is something for you to try, and I do know somebody who's going to be trying this one. Um, yeah, quite a simple setup. You are going to need a light source, and it's basically what you're doing is creating a picture with a shadow, or hopefully you'll be creating like a heart shape. And it's using obviously the book, a coin, and there's going to be a light at the background. I'll show you how we set it up, and then we'll take the photo. Job done. So let's go and let's get it set up. Right, it's a little bit dark in here. I want to try and keep it dark for. I think it's going to help a little bit, but I might be wrong with that. But anyway, basically what I've done is I'm focusing actually on the coin, and hopefully then we can get a little bit of a blur around it. We should see the heart shape of the shadow actually on the book. I have sort of gone slightly moved the. It's it's pretty much the position where the light's got to be. If you move it too far back, you get too much of a shadow up here. So you've got to bring it sort of forward to get the shape not too big but not too small. So quite a tricky one to set up, but if you move the light back and forward until you get the size that you want, you're probably going to be pretty much there. Camera angle, I think there's probably a couple of ways where you can be. You can be sort of like where I am, but I'm probably going to take one here and I'm going to move it over slightly and see which one is the best option. Now, camera settings, I've put it into manual mode, and basically because I want to slightly underexpose, so I can increase that shutter speed, just drop that exposure down just a little bit, and that's going to help stop picking up the light in the background. But because it's still quite bright on here, you're still going to get a pretty good shot. I'm in two minds actually whether to. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two or three. I'm going to start off the settings at the moment is ISO 100 f 5.6. And I'm going to start at the hundredth of a second, and then I'm going to take a second one at 1/125th of a second to drop it down a little bit more, and I'm going to see which one's going to be the best. But as I said, we just got to try to stop picking up that light on the corner of the shot. That's all I needed to do. So right, let's take the first one. 1/100th. We are pretty much there. That looks pretty good. All right, so we'll drop it down sorry, yeah, on 25th. Actually, I think what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to go with 1/160th. Because I'm not picking up the, so that is probably going to be good. Quick and simple, but let me know what you think of these. Do you know what? Like a nice cup of tea after a hard day of photographing. Anyway, yeah, there we go, guys. A real nice, simple, easy one to do. It shouldn't take that long to set up and do. The hardest point is trying to get your coin to balance. And the thing is, you've got to be careful if you use something like blue tack or anything like that, because you can see it. And if you put it behind it, you're not going to get the gap between the coin and the book, which gives you the heart shape. So I was trying to think of something I could use, like a little tiny bit of blue tack or something like this, but it just, no. None of that is, I don't really want to wreck my book. So it was a bit of a balancing act, trying to get the coin to balance and hope it didn't fall over. And that, to be fair, that was the only tricky point of it. So yeah, have a go at that one, because it is quite simple. Book coin, light in the background, and then you've just got to position the light so you get the heart shape, and then just choose your position and take it from there. Like I said, the settings will give a bit of a guide. Hope there's a bit of instructions there on what to do to increase and decrease the brightness. But by all means, have a bit of a play around. Just change that shutter speed up and down until it looks right. Boom. Yeah, and yeah. Right, what did I use really? Well, basically it was just a little light, which obviously you've seen now when I use these little lights all the time. Use my Canon and actually the 18-55 lens, which, you know, as kit lenses go, that was I always tend to use that for quite a lot of stuff I do. But there we go. Yeah, really, I do need to get myself a better macro, something that's really I can really get close up to. Because and then when I do, I'll revisit this one, because I've got some ideas in my head that I know are going to work pretty well. But yeah, so and anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. Anyway, I mean, I did plan on actually going out today, but with the weather being out is out there was no way on this earth was I going to go outside in this. Apart from the rain and 60-mile-an-hour winds, I think I've got a bit of a job on my hands of tidying up the garden tomorrow. But never mind. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Don't forget, thumbs up, have a go yourself. And do you know what? I should have done this one on a mobile phone and see if it's possible. Actually, do you know what? I don't need to say that because I know it's possible on a mobile phone. So I'll revisit that one soon and do it with my mobile. But anyway, leave a like, hit the subscribe button. It's going to be wherever it is over here. And yeah, cheers for watching. Have a go. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.